Hello and welcome to my channel where I try and create home decor stuff on a budget. Today's video is literally the shortest and the quickest DIY that you can possibly do, which will only require 3 main things. And no, it's not this entire temple that we made for a friend, but actually the wooden appliques that we have used to decorate this temple. So if you want to know how I did this, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting by painting these wooden appliques with some black acrylic paint. I got this off from Amazon and I will leave a link to it in the description box below just in case if you want to get them. Make sure to give it a good coating of the paint without leaving any corners. So this is how these appliques look once the paint is dried. After that, I am using this gilding wax called as the Rub and Buff in the shade Gold Leaf on a paintbrush, and with very light hands just going to dab the wax on these appliques. You can also do this part by using a sponge. Also, you don't need much of the stuff, just a little bit goes a long way. But make sure that you're using it in a well-ventilated room because it does have some chemical smell and you do not want to inhale it. Keep buffing the Rub and Buff till you get the perfect metallic look that you desire. It dries very quickly, so you don't have to wait too long to see the results. You can also use the stuff in case you want to restore or decorate some old furniture. It's very versatile and comes in a lot of shades. And so that's it. You have successfully given your wooden appliques some old metallic look by just using 2 things. We use these appliques to give this temple a traditional look, for which we just used some wood glue and stuck them on the temple. But you can use them anywhere you want, like furniture, mirrors, etc. It will elevate the ordinary look of any surface and give it that chic, classy look. Let me know what you think of this DIY. If you liked it, then hit the like button, share your views and feedback in the comment section below, share it with your friends and family in case you're looking for some DIY ideas, and if you like doing or watching DIYs in general, then subscribe to my channel and click that teeny tiny bell next to it to remain updated on when I upload all my future videos. Thank you so much for stopping by, take care and stay safe.